Have you ever wondered how your smart speaker seems to understand exactly what you're saying? This is the magic of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. It's a fascinating and complex branch of computer science that's designed to make machines mimic human intelligence. Think about it. When you ask your smart speaker to play your favorite song, it doesn't just play any song. It understands your request, searches for the song, and plays it for you. But AI isn't just about smart speakers. It's in our everyday lives, often without us even realizing it. From the personalized shopping recommendations that pop up on your favorite online store, to the tailored newsfeed you scroll through on social media, AI is there. And nestled within the broad field of AI is machine learning. This is a subset of AI that involves teaching machines to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed to do so. So AI and machine learning are more intertwined with our lives than you might think. But what exactly is artificial intelligence? You may have asked this question to yourself a number of times. Let's delve into it together. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI as it's often referred to, is about creating machines that can mimic human intelligence. This doesn't mean they are thinking, feeling beings, but rather they are designed to replicate the way we think and process information. These machines can learn from experiences, reason through problems, perceive their environment, and even understand human language, a feat that was once considered purely human. The process of learning for these AI systems is not dissimilar to how a child learns. They experience, they make mistakes, and they learn from those mistakes, constantly enhancing their understanding and performance. This is known as machine learning, which is a subset of artificial intelligence. But don't let your imagination run wild. AI is not about creating a sci-fi dystopia where machines rule over humans. Contrarily, it's about enhancing our capabilities, making our lives easier, and solving complex problems more efficiently. With AI, we can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, make predictions with uncanny accuracy, and automate mundane tasks, leaving us free to focus on more creative and complex problems. So the next time you hear about artificial intelligence, remember it's not about replacing us, it's about aiding us. In essence, AI is all about creating smart machines that enhance our capabilities. Now that we understand AI, what about machine learning? Well, let's dive right in. Machine learning is a method of data analysis, a powerful tool that forms the backbone of artificial intelligence. But what does that mean? Simply put, machine learning is all about teaching computers to learn from data. You might be wondering, how does a machine learn? Well, it's not so different from how we humans learn. We take in information, identify patterns, and use that knowledge to make decisions. Machine learning essentially does the same thing, but it does it with minimal human intervention. Think of it like this. We feed computers heaps of data and they sift through it, pick out patterns, and learn from it. This learning process enables them to make accurate predictions or decisions without being specifically programmed to perform the task. Let's take a couple of everyday examples. Email filtering, that's machine learning. Your email service learns from the patterns in the emails you receive and can filter out spam. Voice recognition, that's machine learning too. Your smartphone or smart speaker learns to recognize your voice and understand your commands, all thanks to machine learning. So we see that machine learning is not some mystical concept. It's a practical technology that's behind many of the applications we use daily, and the most fascinating part, it's continually evolving, getting better and smarter with each passing day. So, machine learning essentially teaches computers to learn just like humans do, but at a much faster pace. So what's the big deal about AI and machine learning, you may ask? Well, these technologies are not just buzzwords. They're revolutionizing industries across the board, from healthcare to finance. In healthcare, AI and machine learning are being leveraged to diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. While in finance, they're being used to predict market trends, enabling smarter investments. These technologies are tackling some of humanity's most complex problems, and they're doing it with unprecedented proficiency. Not only that, AI and machine learning are dramatically improving decision-making processes. By analyzing vast amounts of data at lightning speed, they're able to identify patterns and insights that would otherwise go unnoticed, leading to more informed, strategic decisions. And this is just the beginning. The potential applications of AI and machine learning are virtually limitless, from climate change modeling to autonomous vehicles and beyond. The possibilities with AI and machine learning are endless, and we're just scratching the surface of their potential. That's it for today's video on AI and Machine Learning 101. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding of these transformative technologies and why they're reshaping our world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. And remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. We'll continue to explore the fascinating world of AI, machine learning, and other cutting-edge technologies, breaking down complex concepts into easy-to-understand content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.